Hey, welcome to this session here, and this is the episode number 2 of Ask Datta Show. Basically, I will be revealing the secret behind your Facebook marketing, online marketing, why that work, why that don't work. Because I work with thousands of people, and people get major questions: why Facebook marketing is not working, not getting ROI. Facebook is like some having challenges, or any other online marketing, whatever they are doing, funnel is not working. How to get quality customer and so many things. Okay, so मैं दत्ता टुले आपका host and I welcome you to for episode number 2 to like basically answer the real question from real entrepreneurs by real expert who is testing all those things. Okay, so now today, without any further delay, I will be answering most common question. You might be, as a listener, as a watcher, you might be facing same questions that might help you to get answer. Okay, if you are, no matter you are what you are doing, you are starting your entrepreneurship journey, or you are already entrepreneur and thinking to get started, then this particular session will help you. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Let's answer the first question. So basically, if you can see on my screen right now, there is a question by Aryan Sharma, or you can see on the screen, not able to get and convert the lead of stock market classes by Aryan Sharma. So basically, if you see here, Aryan is from stock market, and unka question is not able to get quality leads. So number one thing I would request Aryan and any one of you watching this session, basically, why you are not getting quality customer. So in the Facebook is the best platform. There are many platform, but you have to check your targeting. You can check your detail targeting. You can check advanced strategies, जहाँ पे you can use layering feature, and जहाँ पे आप basically you can get quality customer. Like in my case, in my workshop, I teach all those things. Whenever you go to the Facebook, there is an option called narrow down. You can at least put 3 layers, like by company, I mean to say audience behavior, business behavior, purchase behavior on the Facebook. You will get option narrow down. Okay, so that is the question to, like, that is the answer to your question, Aryan. And if you want to check out my workshop and learn about that one, awesome. So basically, the next question is about by Sweta Bhairav. Retargeting. Okay, retargeting should be done within how many days of first ad run? Basically, in case my watchers, like my viewers in the show, in case you are not aware about retargeting, so retargeting is nothing but like remarketing. How many of you remember, like, whenever you check any product on Amazon? Hi everyone, thanks for the joining show here. Yeah, you can just type in comment box. Hi everyone, thanks for the joining. You can type in comment box if you are learning this. Basically, remarketing is all about like, suppose you check any product on the Amazon. Suppose you check your favorite shoes, and whenever you go on the any website, you start seeing that shoes across all the other medias. That is called remarketing, and that is a very important part in the online marketing, in the Facebook marketing. So basically, let me come back to the answer of this question. Retargeting should be done within how many days first ad run? Sweta, in the remarketing or retargeting campaigning in the online world, Facebook. So basically, it's all about, at least you need to have 100 clicks. मतलब 100 लोगों ने visit करना चाहिए on your landing page, so that the media platform like Facebook says they have enough data. Okay, 1000. That is, I hope I answered that question, Shweta. Awesome. So next question by one second, guys, my mistakes are there. Awesome. So basically, next question by someone unknown here. My Facebook ad account, basically my Facebook ad won't approve most of the times. Right now my ad section has been deactivated. How to reactivate that? By Sanem. So basically, all of the members, I'm telling you why Facebook don't approve your ad. Number one thing, this is a really frequent question. See guys, this platform are designed for customer like you and me right now. There has to be some guidelines, some process, some standard we have to follow, right? Anyone have faced the problems? Let me check how many people are online here. Awesome. So basically, if any of you face that problem, give me thumbs in the comment box. So basically, first of all, please follow the Facebook guideline. You can go to the Facebook Blueprint course and do that one. Second part, create problem solving ad. Third part, you can use privacy policies, disclaimer on your ad copies. Okay, and in case your account has been deactivated, you can whenever you add account anywhere, you can raise the request to Facebook to reactivate your account. Okay, so basically this is a really common issue people don't follow, and I teach I am having basically ad account protector. That is my one of the products, but definitely you can follow the guideline, and then you will your account will not be disabled by Facebook. Awesome. The next question I want to I want to ask question next, like, awesome. The next question is how to get a right audience by conversion campaign. Next question is amazing. How to get most question by Rohit. I'm just adding that question here on the comment box. Okay, so question about Rohit, how to get right audiences for conversion campaign in smart budget. How to test product, Rohit. So basically guys, I'm telling you Rohit का question है कि कम budget में quality customer कैसे पा सकते हैं, how we can get the quality customer. So Rohit and anyone watching here, I always recommend first, number one thing, learn strategies from expert who is teaching and doing that one. At least have a 3,000 to 4,000 rupees budget for testing, and once as soon as you start your ad, within 24 hours, 48 hours, like 500 rupees daily, 1,000 rupees budget, 2,000 rupees budget, you will start to know, boss, what's working, what's not working. You can stop what's not working, keep running what's working. And smart budget, if I tell you here, test your product, you need to have proper funnel. That is the part. You can start with 500,000 rupees, taste that budget, and then you will come to know and implement proper strategies. Okay, that is the advice to Rohit. Now next question I'm having basically from how to do FB ad step by step. Alok, same guide. You can be part of my upcoming workshop. You can go to dattatoole.co/ and you can opt in for that one. Like if you want to learn more about, you can see the button on that one, and you can go to dattatoole.co/ register your seat, and you can check out there. But next question I want to tell here, awesome. My Facebook ad block, same formula, awesome. I want to increase my sales, but I'm not so much internet expert. So basically, I'm telling you here, somebody is having question ki boss, mera sales grow nahi ho raha hai in the online marketing. So let me add the item here quickly. The next question is having about, I'm not getting, I want to increase my sales, not so much. So let me tell you here this question quickly here. I hope so many people are facing, in case you're watching my YouTube channel, please click on the button below, guys. Let me show you this question. Okay, so basically next question is about from by Jaspit Kaur from Punjab, I believe, and unka question is I want to increase my sales, but I'm not, so I'm looking for internet expert. I hope I got question. See guys, I'm telling you, the online marketing, the getting lead is one part, nurturing is one part, and converting is one part. So basically you need to have complete funnel, and that I teach in my workshop called High Performance Facebook Ad and Funnel Workshop. So get the lead, nurture them, and convert them. That is the end-to-end journey. What is, guys? End-to-end journey. So basically if you see here, selling in my perspective, I call it basically the oxygen. Guys, how many of you believe? Type in comment box. Do you believe the sales is the oxygen for business? Cash flow for the business. It's not only about Facebook marketing, any other online market. Guys, do you believe? All of you just type in comment box if you're live here. If you think that one, selling is a really important and not a big job, guys. That is not a big task. Getting leads, nurturing them, and converting. So basically you need to work on that skill. That is basically conversion, $1 million conversion ideas. How do you convert lead into paying customer? That is the part you have to learn. Okay. So basically this is the episode number 2 and of Ask Datta show. Because why I started this show, guys, do you think this is useful? I'm getting thousands of questions by so many real entrepreneur, trainer, coaches, expert, how to make this useful, guys. Do you think, if you think this is a useful, you want me to continue more on that part, please click on the comment box. What do you want to learn? If you are a newbie, in case aap completely naye ho, you are an expert, what would you like to learn? What is your number one question? You can type in comment box. So now if I see here the next question about from Abhishek Soni, how can I sell our product without without e-commerce website? So Abhishek, you can do webinars. If you want to sell your products, you can do webinars, live webinar you can do, or you can do one-to-one, and there you can sell. Because I'm doing live webinars, you can do Facebook lives, you can do Zoom webinar, you can do one-to-one part. I hope I got your question. Abhishek, am I right? Abhishek Soni. Is it right question? Like I got your question or how it is? अब मेरा क्वेश्चन मतलब आपका क्वेश्चन समझ गया क्या मुझे एक बार? How can I sell product without e-commerce? Same thing, guys. You can do webinars. You can do webinars. You can create website. You can create nurturing and everything. That is my question to answer. My answer to your question. Also, okay. So basically, guys, this is the show. I will be keep continuing. If you want to learn more, this is going to be for every day. Okay. So please feel free to like, share, comment. If you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you will come to know. Okay. So guys, I will be keep doing, share your comment below. I would like to share you. Also, if you are somebody you want to learn more, you can go to Datta, you can see on my screen, you can go to dattatulay.co/digital growth and check out my upcoming workshop. Else I will share the comments. That is the workshop I'm hosting on every Sunday. You can go and check out. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. Until then, please keep learning, but don't stop taking action. Okay, learn, take action, and grow your business. Let's work together. Thank you very much. Signing off for today. Until we meet in upcoming great session with this show. Okay, thank you very much. Dhanyavad.